Welcome students. Continuing the last class, now we shall solve some of the working problems. Okay. Now in all these things we use the formula S equals R into theta. Theta must be in radian. Okay. It must be in radian measure. Remember it. Now look at the first problem. Find the radius of the circle in which a central angle, look at here, central angle of 60 degree intercepts an arc of length 37.4 centimeter. Use pi equals 22 by 7. You have a circle here, look at here. If you look into this problem here, you have a circle here, is the center of the circle. It makes center circle of makes, look at here, angle of, this is an angle equal to 60 degree, and an arc of length 37.4. Arc means this is, if you take O, A, B, this is a arc here. The entire arc here, this is 37.4. Okay. So AB is 37.4. Now find the radius of the circle. R should be calculated. But remember, this angle is in degree. If you apply this formula, you have to convert this degree into radian measure. First, that is very important one. If you write the formula using only theta in terms of degree, it is a wrong. Okay. Now first let us convert. X degree is pi by 180 into x radian. Okay. Now look at this. 60 degree is equal to pi by 180 into 60 radian. Okay. So this is 6600 cancel. 6 ones are, this is 6 threes are. So it is pi by 3 radian. Okay. That means we see that theta is converted into radian. Pi by 3 radian. Arc length is always S. So S equals 37.4. So we know the formula S equals R into theta. We want the radius. To want the radius to theta, it comes to the denominator. R equals S by theta. So S is 37.4 divided by pi by 3. So this 3 is multiplied with the numerator. 37 point into 4 into 3 by pi. Pi is 22 by 7. Again this 7 is multiplied here. So 37.4 into 3 into 7 divided by 22. Now look at here. The 2 in the divider. You can divide this by 2. 2 11s are. If you divide this by 2, it is 18.7. Multiply this. 18.7 into 3 into 7, that is 35.7 centimeter, because R is in terms of centimeter. Okay, it's a length. S is also a length. Remember, theta is angle in only radian. Okay, now come to the next problem. Okay, find the degree measure of the angle. Degree measure radian alla, degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc length. Arc length is always S 22 centimeter. Okay, R is given 100, S is 22. So S equals R into theta. So if you want theta degree nal kelidare, if you want theta, R comes to this denominator. Theta equals S by R. So theta is equal to 22 by 100, that is 11 by 50 radian. I had already told you, no, theta is always in radian measure, but the question is to find in degree measure. We know we already know how to convert degree into radian into degree. So we know that x degree is 180 by pi into x. X radian is 180 by pi into x degree. So 11 by 15 radian is 180 by 22 by 7 into 11 by 15. This 7 goes to this numerator. 180 into 7 into 11 by 22 into 15. So you can 11 ones are, so you can take it as 11 twos are, isn't it? So now look at it, 0 and 0 get cancels here. right? 2 ones are 2 nines are. So 9 into 7, 63 by 5 radian. So this is degree. 63 by 5 degree is nothing but divide this one, it is 12.6 degree. So it is 12 degree plus 0.6 degree. You have to convert this 0.6 degree into minute and seconds. So multiply this 0.6 degree into 60. So much minute, that is 36 minute. So it is 12 degree 36 minute is the correct answer. ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಲ್ವಾ. So it is 0.6 into 60, exactly you will get 36. So 36 minute. The question is angle in radian ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, not in degree. Angle in radian through which a pendulum, you know what is a pendulum, okay? Swings ante oscillate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If its length is 75 centimeter and the tip ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುದಿ describes an arc of length. Three different problems. First problem, second problem, third problem. Look at this pendulum here. So this is a pendulum here. What is pendulum ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? So this is an angle theta. Pendulum ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this is an angle theta. Okay. So this is the tip of the pendulum. ಈ pendulum ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ swings ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೀಗೆ 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 ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, swing ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, isn't it? So now look at what is given. Find the angle in radian through which the pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter. What is the length of this pendulum? This is given as 75 centimeter, right? So this is nothing but 75 centimeter length of this pendulum. Okay. So this is a pendulum. If its length is 75 and the tip describes an arc of length. Tip ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆರ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೆಂತ್ say the first 10 centimeter, first problem. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ look at this pendulum here. If you take this as a arc, if you continue this arc and make this as one circle here, then we see that this is the radius of the circle, right? This is the radius of the circle, isn't it? So this is also the same radius of the circle. This is an arc length, yes. So first problem alli r equals 75, s equals 10, s equals r into theta. The question is to find theta, isn't it? Find the angle in radian. So theta equals s by r, 10 by 75, 5 2s are 5 15s are, so 2 by 15 radian. Ishte simple, because whatever you get theta, it is always in radian. You need not to convert into degree. The question is to find the angle in only radian. Second problem is, look at this arc length. This is nothing but s value, the value of s. This is also the value of s. So this is nothing but the value of s. Now look at here, r equals 10, s equals 15, theta s by r, 15 by 75, that is 15 5s are 1 by 5 radian. You take homework as the third problem. Very simple one. S is given, r is given, find out value of theta. It's a very simple problem, but you have to understand it. Okay. The minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. How far does it move in 40 minutes? Look at here. This is a clock. Okay. This is a minute hand. Let us say this is a minute hand.